1931 Ford Roadster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a steel-bodied car. JW rod garage frame, 32 rails on it. It's a 1950 Merc flathead powering this, as you can see, with dual carb setup, and those are new carbs. Take a look at the front end. Speaking of front end, there's a Pete and Jake's front end. You can see disc brakes. If you want to check out the still pictures on this thing, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, trunk, car from every angle, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing, torque thrust style polished wheel. You can see black paint shows well, kind of a saddle or camel color interior. 4-speed manual transmission. Tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine while it's running, and then if you stick around at the very end, Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Coming around to the rear of this, does have a Chevy Nova rear end QA1 adjustable coilovers there. You can see the paint, nice reflection, mirror-like finish, if you will. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes on this one. There is a battery disconnect, by the way, on the passenger side floor. I can actually show you where it is. A little red knob right down there. Over here on the driver's side, kind of right down in front of the seat in this area, there's a release for the trunk, a little pull cable, kind of like a choke cable, if you will. Brakes, 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Tires are date coded 2009, nice shape. Tech did note the speedo and odometer are in op. If you like street rods, maybe these early 30s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see the paint on this driver's side also, mirror-like finish, very glossy. All right, interior. Take a little closer look at that. Carpet in nice shape, door panels in nice shape. Again, tilt column. The high and low beam switch is actually on the right side of the steering column down here where you just hit it with your hand if you wanted to go high to low beams. I can actually show you that right here. You're going to notice 2 temp gauges, one for each head, left and right bank. Let's fire this up. See, the tack is working. That was a cold start. I would expect temp gauges to be up. Oil pressure, voltmeter. Gotta like this old school hot rod sound from that flatty. Let you kind of hear it from both sides. Sounding good. Like I said, old school hot rod. So electric, puller fan, old school Edelbrock intake manifold. Running smooth, sounding good. 1931 Ford Roadster, steel body. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1931 Ford Roadster. Great looking and great running street rod. Sounds awesome. We have a 4-speed manual right here for the most fun. Our tachometer is reading 500 RPM at idle. Nice and low. Oil pressure between 40 and 50 psi. The volts are charging well over 12 volts on the gauge. And our water temperature is just coming up to maybe 130, still warming up. Easy to steer, amazing looking car. We'll get a little RPM here after we take the traffic circle. What more classic styling can you get than this? And she's still running a flathead, so even cooler, that old school V8. Find all the pictures of this 31 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.